Picture this: white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, ancient ruins, all without emptying your wallet. Welcome to Tulum, Mexico. A paradise known for its breathtaking beauty and bohemian vibes, Tulum is a treasure chest of experiences that won't break the bank. Here, affordability and adventure go hand in hand, making it an ideal spot for budget travelers. From the turquoise sea to the tantalizing street food, every corner is a treat to the senses. So, buckle up as we dive into the paradise that is Tulum, and remember, we're doing this on a budget. First stop on our budget-friendly journey: accommodation. Tulum is a treasure trove of affordable lodging options that are both comfortable and offer a unique experience of the local culture. Let's skip the high-priced resorts and look at the more wallet-friendly alternatives. Hostels are a great option, offering a chance to meet other travelers and often including amenities like free Wi-Fi, communal kitchens, and sometimes even a complimentary breakfast. Guest houses provide a more private setting, often hosted by locals who can give you insider tips on the best places to visit. And don't forget Airbnb rentals. These are often more spacious than a hotel room and can be found all over Tulum, from the heart of the city to just steps away from the beach. With these options, you'll not only save money but also enjoy an authentic Tulum experience. You'll be living like a local, not just visiting as a tourist. Now that we've got our budget-friendly accommodations sorted, let's talk transportation. In Tulum, there's no need to rent a car, which can be a hefty expense. Instead, embrace the local modes of transport. Buses and colectivos, that's shared minibuses, are a cost-effective and authentic way to get around. You'll be sharing the ride with locals and fellow travelers, making it part of the adventure. And don't forget about the simplest modes of transport: your own 2 feet. Walking or biking around the town and beaches not only saves you money but also gives you the freedom to explore at your own pace. You might stumble upon hidden gems that you would have missed otherwise. When it comes to transportation in Tulum, it's all about being smart and flexible. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination, especially when it saves you money. Hungry? Let's talk food. When it comes to eating in Tulum, you don't have to splurge on expensive meals to enjoy the local cuisine. Sidestep the touristy restaurants and aim for where the locals go. Street food and local eateries are not only affordable, but they offer a taste of authentic Mexican cuisine that's hard to beat. Try the tacos al pastor, a classic Mexican dish of marinated pork served on a soft tortilla with pineapple, onions, and cilantro. Or if you're a seafood lover, ceviche is a must-try. This fresh and tangy dish is made with raw fish cured in citrus juices, mixed with chopped vegetables and served with crispy tortilla chips. For a sweet treat, don't miss out on trying marquesitas, a popular Yucatan dessert that's a cross between a crepe and a waffle, filled with melted cheese and your choice of sweet fillings. Delicious and affordable. Now that's a combo we love. Finally, let's talk fun. And yes, it can be affordable too. Tulum is not just about turquoise waters and sandy beaches. There's so much more to do here. Start by exploring the Tulum ruins. Get there early to beat the crowds and the heat, and you'll only spend a few dollars for the entrance fee. Next, venture into the cenotes. These natural sinkholes are a unique experience. Some are free to visit, while others have a small entry fee. If you're a beach lover, you're in luck. Many of Tulum's beaches are public and absolutely free. Spend a day soaking up the sun, swimming, and picnicking. Lastly, immerse yourself in the local culture by visiting the town's markets. You'll find everything from food to handmade crafts. It's a great place to pick up some affordable souvenirs. So there you have it, a paradise explored without breaking the bank. Tulum awaits you. That's a wrap on our budget-friendly guide to Tulum, Mexico. We've explored affordable stays, from hostels to Airbnb rentals. We've navigated the town using cost-effective transportation methods like buses, colectivos, and bikes. We've savored the flavors of Tulum, opting for street food and local eateries over touristy restaurants. And we've immersed ourselves in the beauty of the beaches, cenotes, and ancient ruins without breaking the bank. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly travel guides. Until next time, happy travels.